Yo, what's up, bro? Today I want to show you some really good stuff about Shopify and how to use it and how to change the normal product page. And this software will help you really tremendously to make this happen, seriously. So let's jump to it, right? Okay, so here I have ThriveCart, and I'm gonna show you how to connect, not to connect, but embed a special checkout on the product page of Shopify. With that, your customers don't need to go to the whole process checking out on Shopify, which takes longer time, and you can create upsells, downsells, and you could even upsell your people on the thank you page without only with this software. You don't need 4 or 5 products or 4 or 5 softwares or so. All right, so first of all, this is let me show you. You know Shopify, I guess. If you're doing Shopify, you already know it. The normal checkout page of Shopify looks like this. This is a product that I'm working on right now. If you want to take it, take it, but trust me, I don't care. I'm gonna make it. This is a product Shopify, and I want to try this one. I still didn't make it, but yeah, this is the normal one. There is the review, shipping, blah blah blah, custom tab. This is even a custom theme that I bought. All right, so how to make this more simple and more easy to use? Let's go. First of all, let me just check this now. Let's click on this, for example. When this product A/B testing level is changing it, it's while the oh, I'm doing an A/B test for this product. Sorry. Let's go to this one. Yep, it's already live. I'm gonna into checkout. It's gonna be embed. Okay, I understand. Embeddable as well. All right, let's do embed. Save, get URL, and you get this tracking or this code here. So this code, you can get it either straight into the page, or you could put it like a button, like buy now. If some, for example, you're gonna replace the buy now here with this buy now from this software, from ThriveCart, and when people will click here, they will no longer be on Shopify. They will not change the page. They will stay on the same page, but it's gonna be ThriveCart that is processing the orders and the payment. Or you could do it with an image. Put an image, and when they click on it, they jump to ThriveCart. All right, you could make it square, blue, red, whatever how you want. You can either do a custom color. Anyway, let's do it straight to the page. Copy embed code. Let's go here. First of all, let me just do this so I can make this really understandable for you. Customize. This product, I found it, and it's a really good product that solves a problem, and it's a baby product. It's a really cool one. All right, let's go to product page. So as we are on the product page, let me take this shit because it's not that good. Let me first of all copy this and snap, and then do this, and then where it's gonna finish, you have to connect together. I think it's here. If I'm not wrong, it's div. So I'd have to start with a div. Class, customer, dollars, customer. Yeah, it's here. Shit. It's gonna delete everything. Okay, now my product page will look normal, hopefully. Okay, so this is how it looks. Well, I know I need to put photos. I'm just working on it right now, so don't say this is the shittiest one. I'm just taking the bullet things. Yeah, I'm copying them from Amazon, from a lot of sellers, and I'm reformulating them. I'm formulating them in other words so people get the benefits, because yeah, that's how you manipulate people. All right, let's go to here. We're gonna do something like this, and we're gonna embed the code. Oh fuck. Fuck. What did I fucking do? Reload. Forgot. Up. Let's first do the enable auto open product upgradation. Let's go this way. Let's go top this. I don't think I will do it this way because it's gonna be no. So let's go to product page. Let's go to product upgradation. Needs to save. And yeah, this is how it looks, and this is how it will hopefully will work. Let's preview this shit. Nope, it doesn't. This just they show you what to do. You do continue and you have this. Okay, now you saw it how it looks. It looks like shit, right? Now you come here and then you do edit checkout and you do single step. Show section title. Okay. So here you can show the shipping address, contact information, of course. Then choose shipping. Then you could put a bump offer as well down there. And look how it looks. It looks so good. So good. And now we're gonna put the background to be as white as possible. And we're gonna do save. This is customizable as well, what you see right now. You could put a text right where you want. You could put, I don't know, a video here. You could put a testimonial here. Put whatever you want. Testimonials, you could put 3 like this, 2, 1. You adjust them. You put whatever you want. You put the bullets. Like this is what you're gonna get. Like, for example, shipping and when they pay. Like here, you put the bullet points like up. Bullet point 1, what you're gonna get here, what you're gonna get here, what you're gonna get here, guaranteed seal. Here the guaranteed one, 30-day money back guarantee. Everything you want. Everything you want. Let's see. The video I didn't put any I didn't embed any video, so it will not be shown. So copy embed. Let's rock and roll. Go here, let's go to dev, up and save, and voila. Contact information, bullet point, 30-day money back guarantee. And they're still on the same page. They don't need to add to cart. You can leave these if you want. Yeah, the colors, and so you have to change them, of course, but I just want to show you the potential of the software so you can see the big picture, and then you could play with it as you want and make it look like the shop. So they don't even need to check out. And if you're asking me if he's like filling, for example, the address and so on, blah blah blah, that's gonna be saved where? in ThriveCart, not on Shopify. And of course, you could push the order on Shopify with Zapier or with probably whatever. Yeah, let me see. Germany, let's say, and let's say, I don't know, whatever it is. And then let's do complete order. Oh, this is a view one, right? Oh yeah, forgot. Well, let's do complete the order, processing the order. Here, you have an upsell, bro. Yes, upgrade my order now. No, don't, please, no. And here's the, you can take this powered by ThriveCart, of course. It's awesome. You could click on yes, upgrade, and then it upgrades you, and then it sends you to the checkout. Checkout as well is customizable. Look, I customized it. I put a video. You could put a logo, download the PDF, contact support. I think this is one of the best softwares ever. And because all the upsells, downsells, and checkout the customization, all these apps cost a lot of money, but this software costs $699 and you pay it one time. It's a one-time fee that you pay and you have it forever. They don't take any percentage of your of your sales, nothing, nada. Everything is yours, instead of paying a lot of money for these upsells and things. And you don't, how much money do you pay for that? Like, it could be $1,000 a month or so. And there's another thing, is that you run away from the Shopify 2% transaction fee. That's a way around it as well, because the transaction is made in ThriveCart. Like now, for example, if we go to ThriveCart, the dashboard, let's go not to all product, let's go to, where was one? Where's the one? All occurring. Bum 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 bum. Today or yesterday, all products. Bum 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 bum. And there's something about this shit. Wait a minute. Stats. Here we go. Stats, funnel customer. You have average funnel conversion, total funnel orders, funnel traffic. Well, because I already, yeah, you have total like you bought the normal product, the one that you have on your page, and then you bought the upsell. That's obvious. And bump order, bump down sale order, product, cart balance, cart view, one order, 50% conversion. Why there is no growth revenue, whatever, because it costs $0. Let me see, bump, up, upsell, offer view, order, 100% conversion view. There is a downsell as well if you wanted to do it. Let me see, transactions. Match your query, because there's €0. There's subscriptions. For example, you could sell a subscription as well. Means that, for example, if you're just gonna buy this €35, this €35 is gonna be cut from his payment, or you're gonna get a payment for €35 every month, every week, or whatever, how you like. Yes. What else? Yeah. Users, my profile settings, products, sales down, sales. You can A/B test as well. This is one of the best things as well. You could A/B test the price, for example. Let me see view, and it gives you here dog harness, cart impressions, 100% conversion, cart impressions, 0 conversion. You could edit this test, put it whatever you want. This is one of the best upsells, downsells software over there with A/B test. It's better than Zipify. It's better than all the softwares over there, from my perspective, because it's just one-time fee and you get it forever. Yeah. and you can put the buy button as I told you. For me to show you, where is the products, get URL with a button, copy the embed button, put it in the thing, and then of course you put it right around here, and then you go here, and then you see it, the buy now button, and then you could center it, you put it even big. If you know a little bit of CSS, you could put it even more to the bigger side. Let's see how it's gonna look now. Oops, this is not the one. No, this is not the one. Let me see. Yeah, you could play with some CSS and code and enlarge it if you want, but then you just click on buy now and you have this. Voila, contact information, and it's so fast. Boom, boom, so fast, boom, don't miss out, bam, process an order, upgrade my order, and voila. Very fast. You're not even on Shopify anymore. Look, you were on the same page, but you were not in Shopify anymore. But it has to be a congruency between the page and between the other page. Same colors, same font, same everything. Otherwise, the customer will be like a little bit confused. Okay, bro, this is what I wanted to show you, and yeah, hopefully you liked and got something from this video, and I really encourage you to use this. I'm not affiliated in any way, if that's what you're thinking. And yeah, if you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, don't. That's your own business. I'm just here to give some advices. Take it or leave it. Well, I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.